So I'm over at Casa Fresca Homes in Haines City. Got this house in the back of me called the, I'm gonna get run over, Valeria. 4 beds, 2 baths, 2-car garage, 1,800 square feet. So this should be kind of interesting to see because it's 2 baths. So a lot of times builders stick another bath in, and that takes away from some of the space of other places like, you know, bedrooms and things like that. So let's go inside and have a look. And of course, I'm Rich Noto, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector in Notary Public, your construction trained realtor, which separates me from all the other realtors that don't have construction training. And along the way, it's a smart idea to hire a construction trained realtor because let's face it, you're building a house or it's new construction or even a resale. You might have questions about issues with homes, how they're built, you know, things like that. So, you know, that standard realtor just can't, you know, help you that way. So just keep that in mind. And always keep in mind that it does not cost you anything to have me represent you throughout the process, okay? It's use it or lose it. It's like going to the store to purchase an item. Let's say you're gonna go purchase a TV, and you come home and you're like, wait a second, there was a coupon that I could have got a free TV stand with this TV. Oh, I didn't have the coupon, so I bought the TV, paid the same price, and now I don't have a TV stand. So think about me like your TV stand or your coupon. So it's, again, it's use it or lose it. It doesn't cost you anything. It doesn't affect the price of the home. That's just things that people make up in their own minds. So anyway, let's go inside, have a look at this house, and let's see what we see.
At richnotohomes.com, find the house you're looking for in Central Florida, Orlando, Kissimmee area. Are you interested in a full-time living residential house or a vacation home? Investing in a rental income property? Thinking about selling your home? Look no further than richnotohomes.com. Dependable help from start to finish. Don't make a mistake along the way. Go to richnotohomes.com.
All right, so this is a house that I don't think I've ever seen before. I'm pretty confident of that. Could be wrong, but I don't think so. I do think it's something I've never seen. And just by the look of it, the ceiling is angled. Let's see. Let's go to the right here first. All right, so the first bedroom. All right, looks like a nice size. There's a lot of furniture in here, as you could see. There's a few pieces that they put around. This is like a fishing room. Let's take a look at the closet and see how large it is. Oh, it uses the whole wall. Fantastic. That's good. It's good that it uses the wall. And here we have a bathroom, full bathroom. And you can probably see that the ceiling is angled, so it kind of makes the room feel different. Actually, maybe it feels a little bit higher, because I think it would probably be about up to there, which is the area above the window normally. Let's take a look back in there. Where does it stop? So it stops probably somewhere over here. Yeah, again, high ceilings. Here we have the laundry room with the HVAC in here. And this is the sales office, so I'm not going to go in here. Yep, again, ceilings are angled. This room feels like a larger room. It's like a storage. Oh, this is nice. I like this. I like this a lot. Yeah, very, very spacious feeling in here. It feels like a much larger house than what it is because of the ceiling height. Wow. So the island is, an average size island. It's definitely not the smallest. Of course, the smallest is kind of like a 3-seater. So that's good. That's nice to see. And you have your covered patio, the lanai, whatever you like to call it. So that's nice to see. All right. Okay, so we're in the master bedroom, and there's some music playing in here, so I might have to mute some of this or put my own music over it. But this is the master bedroom. You got a pretty high ceiling, which is nice. Yeah, feels good. Well, let's continue into the master bathroom. Let's see, what do we have here? There's your closet. And there's your toilet in the closet. And your shower. So this bedroom has a shower. I mean, this bathroom has a shower, I should say. And here is your closet, your master closet. So let's do the closet cam. Alright, so let's see. So what do we got? So the camera's kind of over by the wall. 6 feet, so that's about 9 feet from the camera to the end of my arm over here. So if we step down a bit, I'm hitting some of the clothes hangers that are everywhere. There's plenty of clothes hangers over here. You'd have another 2 feet or 3 feet or so. So that's kind of the length of it. So, definitely a nice closet, a nice size closet for a house that's this size. I like the bathroom, just looking at it, just to kind of see. Shouldn't be bad for 2 people to get ready. 1 person, that's easy. So who's this house really for? I think that if you want a house that's, this square footage, and you want to have So for this size house at over 1,800 square feet, it feels much larger and it feels much more spacious, really because of the ceiling height. And I don't think maybe it will, maybe it won't. This is going to do much, but it feels very spacious. It feels very open, very high. And that's really what separates this. And also that, the ceilings aren't flat. The ceilings are angled everywhere. And hopefully the camera shows that somewhat, maybe not. But the ceilings are angled, so you're getting that extra spacious feeling. And of course, you have a bedroom over here, and then you have 2 bedrooms here. So you got 4 bedrooms total. So you have 4 bedrooms total, but you have a single bathroom. So if you don't need more than 2 toilets in a house, then what you're getting more common area compared to other homes that are the same square footage, but they might have another bathroom. So that's just something to keep in mind. Hope you enjoyed this video. I do appreciate everyone watching. Thank you for stopping by. Please check out my website at richnotohomes.com. To go to new.com. And always, please do contact me if you have any questions. Thank you again. Have a great day. Prior to being a realtor, I purchased a house without a realtor and then with a realtor who had no construction training, no construction certification. And I can tell you that it's extremely important to have a realtor with construction certification. Here's how to get my service paid for by the builder, free to you. Please contact me first before you contact any home builder. When you contact a home builder first, you may lose your paid for by the builder realtor representation. If you email them, call them, text them, go to the sales office, walk the models, anything that they can match up at the time of contract, they may say you cannot use a realtor. Please don't contact the builder and ask what their policies are either, because that would be your first contact. You see how this works? When I went to purchase my first house, I was given terrible advice. Everybody told me I had to pay for a realtor, which is just not true. I had no realtor and it was terrible. From start to finish, it was exhausting. I was treated poorly at sales offices, and after I signed my contract, the salesperson basically vanished on me. It was just a terrible experience. When I purchased my second house, I knew I needed a realtor, so I started searching. I encountered top sellers who seemed impressive, but they were just high pressure sales. They were telling me to go to the builder, tell them I'm your realtor. When you pick out the house you want, contact me and I'll come down and help you. They would show me 2 homes, 3 homes, ask me which one do I want to buy. Many of them couldn't even respond properly to an email, which is much like when I help my buyers to find resale homes. Many of the realtors that are selling these homes, it's like they don't even read what you wrote. So my realtor ended up being a new realtor. He was loyal. He went with me to like 20 builders that I picked out. He wasn't selling me out to sales associates. He wasn't selling me out to other realtors. He wasn't selling me out to resale home sellers. He was no doubt on my side. So like most realtors, the realtor that I picked had no construction training, no certification. At the time, I didn't even consider it. As we went from house to house with new construction, with resales, there were times I had questions and he didn't know, or he was kind of guessing, and he would at least tell me he's just guessing. The information that I received was incorrect. I realized that home inspectors are there to look over a house and find issues with them. But let's face it, the home inspector is with you for 2 hours, 3 hours looking at the house that you're interested in buying. Your realtor is with you, if the realtor is a good realtor, for potentially 6 months, 12 months while a new construction house is being built. Your realtor is going to be the one that's going to be there with you when you're dealing with rude, obnoxious construction managers that are lying to you when the home is built incorrectly, and they just want you to just go away. They want you to just sign, say the house is okay, or it's going to be passed off the warranty, and that's it. So having a realtor without construction background is not a good idea. And if I was going to be buying a house in another state, even though I have a home inspector's license and I am trained, I would still want to find a realtor that is construction trained, because the more eyes, the better. Everybody's going to spot something different. I would even potentially hire 2 inspection companies, or maybe more, to look over a house. Just some quick tips. Just want you to understand that I believe in a comprehensive realtor service where I could answer and guide and look at home inspection reports and have an understanding of what's going on and how to help my buyers best. Thanks for watching this. Back to the video.